Today we are going to make very simple and easy Moru Curry recipe without any coconut. Moru Curry is spiced buttermilk curry. So first we need is a big piece of ginger. You need to cut it into small thin slices like this. So now we have cut your ginger. So next we need is 4 small onion. Nicely cut and peel it and wash it, and then chop the onion in small thin slices. And then next we need is a big cup of curd. I don't add water to it. Now take a pan, add some coconut oil. You can add around 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add some mustard seeds and then cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds. Then add some curry leaves. Add 2 green red chillies, and then you can add the green chillies. Add your pieces of ginger and fry it for some time till the raw smell of the ginger goes. To this, add your small onions and fry it till it's light brown in color. Now add some turmeric powder and little chilli powder also. And add some salt and then stir it well. Now you can see your onion is almost cooked. Now add the curd. If you don't have curd, you can even add buttermilk. And mix it well in a very low flame. You don't have to boil this curry. You just have to mix all the ingredients and slightly heat it for some time. When you feel everything is mixed well and it's heated, your curry is ready. You can enjoy this simple Moru curry with your rice. It's a very quick recipe, and if you have liked this recipe, please don't forget to share with your friends, and do like the recipe and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.